Welcome to Zora. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of how Zora is laid out on your screen, the main areas, what each one is for, and how they all fit together. Zora's screen has three main areas. Once you know where each one lives, the rest of the app flows naturally. Let's start at the top. This is the app bar. It's your global navigation strip. Every screen group, every global tool, and the system-wide actions live here. On the far left, the logo button is your system menu. Tap it for settings, sign out, switch user, and other system-wide actions. The Screens button is how you switch between Zora's four main screen groups. The Log button opens the logbook. The logbook is a quick access screen for your log entries, reachable from anywhere in the app. The Log button is a toggle. Tap it again to close the logbook and return to whatever you were on. In the center of the app bar, your current GPS position is always visible, a quick reference to where you are right now. Tap it to open a navigation info dialog with several tabs covering position, satellites, and related details. The same area also displays notifications as they come in, alerts, and important system messages. On the right, three more buttons open Zora's global tools, notifications, tools, and emergency. Each one opens the Tools panel, a drawer that slides in from the right edge, and fills it with a different category. Notifications shows incoming alerts. Tools shows the global tool list. Emergency shows urgent actions. The Tools panel is where most of your interactions with Zora happen. The same drawer also shows tools specific to whatever widget you're working with on screen. We'll cover how to switch its contents and hide it in a later video. On the far right of the app bar, the Help button is always available. Tap it, and Zora opens the help guide on the page that matches what you're currently looking at: the screen, its widgets, and the Tools panel content. We'll cover the help system in its own video. In the center is the screen. When we say screen in Zora, we mean this central surface, not your whole monitor. A screen is always made up of widgets. Every chart, instrument, list, or panel you see is a widget. There's nothing else inside a screen. Some screens are fixed. The widgets are locked because the layout has been designed for a specific job, like the main chart screen. Other screens are editable, so you can rearrange, resize, or swap widgets to build the layout that suits you. To interact with anything, tap to select, long press for context menus, swipe to pan, pinch to zoom. Zora also works with a mouse and keyboard if your station has them. That's the layout. App bar on top, screen in the middle, tools on the right. Knowing this map makes everything else easier.